How to fix the script. ScriptHookV critical error in GTA 5 works with both Steam and Epic Games versions. ScriptHookV needs to be updated to the latest version to fix this issue. First, download the required files according to your game client. I will put the download links in the description. After downloading, copy the files and paste them into your GTA 5 game directory. If you are using Steam, the method is the same. Next, open Epic Games Store or Steam. Go to your library, find GTA 5, click on the three dots, then select Manage and turn off the Auto Update option. If you are using Steam, the method is the same. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.